What if you could build the classic snake game in about 3 minutes without writing a single line of code yourself? Let's do it right now with Claude. This is called vibe coding. You describe what you want in plain English, and the AI writes the actual code. You're the director, Claude's the programmer. Step 1. Open Claude. I'm on the web app, but the desktop app or Claude Code in your terminal all work the same way. Start a new chat. Now the only real skill, asking. I type, build me the classic snake game as a single HTML file. Arrow keys to move. The snake grows when it eats. Game over if I hit the wall or myself. Clean dark theme. Hit enter, and Claude writes the whole thing. The layout, the game loop, the controls. This is what a real coding session looks like. The code just appears, and you don't need to understand every line. I save it as snake.html and open it, or just hit the preview button, and there it is, a working snake game. Arrow keys to move, eat the food, watch it grow. It actually plays like the real thing. Here's the best part of vibe coding. You just keep talking. I ask, add a score in the corner, and make the snake speed up as it grows. Claude edits the code it already wrote, no starting over. Now there's a live score, and it gets faster the better you do. Want to make it yours? Just ask. I told it to go full retro, glowing neon green on black, like an old arcade screen. One sentence, done. That's the whole trick. You described a game in plain English, and Claude built it, ran it, and upgraded it. And you never memorized a line of syntax. If you want more simple tech wins like this, follow Browning PC and tell me in the comments, what should we build next?